Are you ready for a design explosion? If you are, then you are in the right place. Hello and welcome to the Stunt Their Style Challenge. I am your host, Sonia, MultiFacettedMe. Design is preferable to your own taste, and in this challenge, the creators are going to showcase their personal design style, as well as a fellow creator's design style that is similar to theirs or has a similar color palette. We have been gearing up all week with excitement, and if you are ready, then let's go into the challenge and check out my contemporary design style. I love contemporary design. It is a very versatile style. Some use a lot of color, as I like to do, and then others not so much. But however you do your styling, it is a very sophisticated but relaxed look. When you take your time in selecting your decor pieces, you do not have to use a lot to achieve the desired effect. This coffee table look is regal and royal. Now let's look at the components of this design. We have glitter and pastel eggs. We have beautiful silver pieces. We have a wonderful crown in the middle. We have designer books as well. Just a wonderful setup. Now we're going to segue into our sister creator's styling. Her style, as she calls it, is rustic glam, and we have a similar color palette going on. This is none other than the queen herself, Valerie of the Glamorous Castle and Decor. And this is my dupe on her design style, rustic glam. Valerie is a DIY queen and has an amazing way of blending rustic and bling in her design to where they complement each other beautifully. She is the one who introduced me to the rustic glam design style, and I've been a fan ever since. As I brought in more bling and rustic details, the key components remain. To stunt Valerie's style, you must pay attention to detail, and this is why the board game was included. Vibrant color, bling, and wood tones. What a wonderful design.
Enjoying yourself yet? Z Gallery calls this creator's design aesthetic Glamorous Regency, and with impeccable design like this, anyone would want to stay put. Now entering Homebody with For Lisa. The Glamorous Regency design is contemporary and its elements are in Art Deco, such as the geometric mirrors, the spheres, the brass candle stands, and a lot of the other gold accessories. It is a classic design that meets the modern day age. For Lisa is excellent at selecting her accessories for decor and allowing them to speak in their own voices individually. As we move forward with this design challenge, you will see the geometric elements remain as the mainstay, and then we will move shortly into the stunted style of this design. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the reveal. I love how this design has been softened by the insertion of the white decor and the soft pastel florals. There are elements in the design of the holiday, but there is a mature, refined look just the same. Each decor piece makes a statement in its own right. Glamorous Regency is its name, and it surely is the spirit of For Lisa. Beautiful pastel florals, candle stand, mosaic tile bowl, and vase. Why don't we just enjoy the view? These ginger jars are a previous DIY. The brass candle stand was a thrift find. These beautiful florals came from roses. I have so enjoyed this Stunt Their Style challenge, and this was so much fun and very rewarding to me.
exciting challenge. The Stunt Their Style challenge is everything that I hope that it would be, and I hope that you are enjoying it as well. Do continue to watch for all the wonderful participants of the challenge. I'd like to give a great thanks to Valerie, the queen at the Glamorous Castle and Decor, and Homebody with Lisa for being my design subject for the Stunt Their Style challenge. I hope that you are pleased with how I represented your designs. And please, if you are not familiar with their channels, you have to go by and check out these ladies. Styling is impeccable. To all the participants, again, thank you so much for going along this challenge with me. And